Good day, my name is Timofey, I'm from Volgograd, and this is CS50 course, my final project, which is created for strawberry shop. This is shop of my wife, it's located in Volgograd, Russia. Strawberry in chocolate, in bouquets, box and boxes, small boxes and big boxes. And you can see the main catalog here. You can choose wherever you want. This page is about us. All the links are working here. You can type on and you'll see they are linked with the website and GitHub. Everything is written in Russian because my wife can't speak English. I wrote it for her. Sometimes she read it. This is contact information with a map. You can see exactly the house where our shop is located. Beside that, this is the feedback form. We store this for customers, companies. If we fill it, we can see that website is provided feedback information to us via console. Exactly the script which provide us the request, the answer from the site. And beside that, we have additional settings in the bottom of settings file. I added also link for media and additional folders also included here. Beside that, we switch on debug regime to avoid any additional authentication while we're working with the site. Here in the administration panel, you can see our admin, super users, and strawberry shop by itself. All category has a name, code, price, category, images, and small description. You can check by images. If you go further, you can see the code and fill it out all the info about bouquet, for example, name, choose category, adjust the price. We've got availability mark here. You can set units, how you weight or calculate the units, small description. Beside that, we've got 4 links because this site is consist of several photos, small, big, and medium format. So I create several links. In the models, we've got exactly the model for database, and here we can adjust everything. For example, class meta allows to create proper name without s, apostrophe, and etc. URLs show us the path, which is links our formulas. URLs linked to the view file, which is consist of several functions. They allow us to see the pages and linked with them. Each page consists of 2 sides, actually 3 sides, upper one, bottom one, and the main body, and also reduce the quantity of rows. Here the email patterns, which we can see here. Here we've got a database, models created for us database, and we can choose the categories, for example, code name and price and availability. Availability is nice mark. It's shown our good, not shown if we remove the mark. Couple words about migrations. Once I had a terrible mistake with here because I fell asleep probably and typed some string format in a Boolean expression, and after I had a terrible bug which I tried to fix for about 2 days. I read everything and I found that it was just text inside the Boolean expression, but because there was a mistake in the previous migration, the new one wasn't created. About our test pack, test folder is located in the main body. In the test folder, we've got several tests. For example, test URL checked all the links of our test block is located in the main body of our project. It consists of 3 files. Each file is checking certain file in our project. For example, test URL checked all the links of our functions, how they are creating, and check the way. And here we've got the database test models. For our database, we've got a really nice feature here. It's called fixture. You store all the info about your database as a zip file after you unpack it, and you can use all the info to provide test for your database. It's amazing stuff because you can see all the info about your database. When you see the whole info, you can create appropriate test for them. For example, here we've got a test which shows the name of the user, the number of the super user, and his password. Beside that, we've got here we've got a mail checking, and is filled out or not our database. Everything is working. The main purpose of this site is provide just information to the customer, what we've got in the stock and what we can create. Why we didn't create some cards or payment here on the website? Because the main point is little bit different, is contact, for example, Telegram bot to this website and move customer from the website to the Telegram bot, provide him additional information, gathering from him, for example, about packages, about quantity of strawberries, or probably the weight of his box and the color of chocolate and the flowers he can add to his composition. And after that, we prefer payment card to card to avoid additional expenses due to the Russian legislation. Besides that, we have a really big city, and it is quite difficult to know how much exactly will be cost the courier from one part of the city to another one. So our branch is working for about 3 years and everything is fine, and nowadays we can create more reliable website and add Telegram bot over there. This website has been created as a final project of CS50. Thank you.